Welcome back to the channel, a sanctuary where opulence is not merely observed but intellectually appreciated. Today, we ascend beyond conventional mobility into an echelon reserved for the ultra-elite, the 2027 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This is not transportation in the traditional sense. It is a sovereign residence in motion, engineered for those who regard travel as a ceremonial privilege rather than a necessity. Visually, the exterior communicates authority with aristocratic restraint. The legendary Rolls-Royce aesthetic has been magnified and reinterpreted on a monumental scale, dominated by an imposing grille and sculptural bodywork that flows with architectural precision. Every contour appears deliberately curated, every surface finished to an almost obsessive degree. The presence is neither aggressive nor ostentatious. It is quietly imperial, radiating dominance through refinement alone. Cross the threshold, and the interior reveals itself as an enclave of absolute indulgence. Silence envelops the cabin like velvet, while bespoke materials, hand-quilted leathers, rare open-pore woods, and meticulously machined metal accents converge in flawless harmony. The living quarters emulate the ambience of a private aviation lounge. The sleeping chamber rivals elite hospitality suites, and the bathroom exudes spa-grade sophistication. Beneath its commanding silhouette lies a powertrain designed for seamless authority rather than brute force. The propulsion system delivers prodigious torque with almost imperceptible effort, allowing the motorhome to glide forward in dignified silence. Advanced suspension architecture virtually erases the imperfections of the road, creating a sensation of suspension from reality itself. Distance becomes irrelevant, and motion feels ceremonial rather than mechanical. The subject of price requires no justification, only acknowledgement. The 2027 Rolls-Royce Motorhome occupies the absolute summit of luxury motoring, with valuation extending deep into the multi-million-dollar domain. This is not a purchase defined by logic or necessity. It is an acquisition driven by legacy, exclusivity, and uncompromising taste. Safety is integrated with the same meticulous philosophy. A comprehensive suite of intelligent driver assistance systems, predictive braking technologies, panoramic surveillance, and reinforced structural engineering ensures that protection is omnipresent, yet discreet. Here, security operates silently in the background, preserving serenity without intrusion. In essence, the 2027 Rolls-Royce Motorhome transcends the very definition of a recreational vehicle. It is a philosophical statement on movement, luxury, and autonomy, an object that transforms travel into an act of refinement. This is not about reaching destinations. It is about redefining the experience of arrival itself. If your vision of the road aligns with elegance, dominance, and absolute comfort, then this masterpiece exists for you. If this exploration resonated with your appreciation for elite engineering, engage with the channel by liking, subscribing, and enabling notifications. Until our next encounter, remember, true luxury is not how fast you travel, but how effortlessly you arrive.